When working with automated workflows in Excel, there often comes a moment when certain cells need to be reset, cleaned, or completely removed. VBA provides several distinct clearing commands, and each one affects a different part of the cell. In this lesson, we walk through these options step by step, applying each of them to a specific cell in column B. We begin by working on cell B2, where we demonstrate the most powerful clearing command, a full clear. This removes absolutely everything from the cell: the value, any formulas, all applied formatting, and even comments. After this operation, B2 is returned to a completely default, empty state. Next, we move to cell B3, where we show how to clear only the contents. This instruction removes the value or formula inside the cell, but leaves all formatting intact. The cell keeps its background color, number format, font settings, and borders. This is especially useful when refreshing input sections while keeping the design of the model consistent. Then we continue with cell B4, where we remove all formatting while keeping the value untouched. This clears color, borders, font modifications, alignment, and number formats. B4 returns to Excel's default styling, but the actual data in the cell remains exactly as it was. This technique is often used when consolidating data from multiple inconsistent sources. We then move to cell B5, where we clear comments. Any note attached to the cell is removed, but the content and formatting remain unchanged. This is useful when repurposing templates or removing explanatory notes before sending a model. By this point, each type of clearing has been demonstrated on its own dedicated cell. B2 for full clearing, B3 for clearing contents, B4 for clearing formats, B5 for clearing comments. Clearing is more nuanced than simply removing data. Each command affects a different part of the cell: the value, the formatting, the comments, or even the surrounding structure. Knowing which instruction to use and when is essential for controlling user inputs, resetting sheets, and maintaining the integrity of a financial model.